What's going on, guys? We're gonna do a little garage modding today. I picked up some lighting, specifically LED lighting. First of all, this is what I got to work with. When I'm in my garage, got that little light that's kind of just shadowing everything. And it's not really, like, this is where I'm working right here, right where my toolbox is, and there's no light. So I'm thinking I'm gonna hang something right here that's gonna shine more light and give me more, just give me more. So I picked up one of these Hypericon integrated light fixture that's LED. I'm gonna cable suspend it. It's 35 watts, 5000K. Apparently it's got good reviews, so I picked one up off of Amazon. It's got a 5-year warranty, which I really liked, and made in the USA. So I'm going to leave the part number or the part link in the description below, so you guys want to check that out at the end of the video, you guys can check that out. But I'll post up here a little couple clips of the actual LED, and it's really cool. It plugs right into your standard plug. But I did pick up one of these, so I'll also leave this in the description below. But this basically you screw into the light bulb place and you're able to plug this in through there. So if you flick your light switch, theoretically this will turn on, but we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I got the first stud in there. Now you just gotta take this thread piece and basically thread it up in there, which will suspend your bracket. Alright, so right now I got the light strung up. I haven't gotten plugged in. I'm now taking this adapter piece, currently screwing my current light bulb in there, and I'm gonna plug that other piece in, screw it in, see if it turns on. Alright, I'm going to turn off the garage light. Now I'm going to turn on that. Let's see how it goes. Oh. A lot more light. I can actually see what I'm doing here. Alright, so that is it. It looks amazing. So much more light, as you can see. Especially now when I'm filming, you'll notice that the light is a lot better, especially it's not going to look as yellowish. I went with a 5000K, which is a bright white. Kind of gives you like the natural feeling. Again, if you guys are interested, it is Hypericon. I'll leave the part numbers in the description below, but definitely worth it. That little adapter piece works perfectly. Just make sure you turn that switch to on, so when you get power from that, this will automatically turn on. But appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to subscribe down below. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.